emotional condition because we are living in the city. We have so much stress. We have money stress, social stress, love stress. I don't know now. So many stress, right? And all this is going to affect our health, and it affects our blood pH. So when our blood pH starts to drop down to become acidic, as I have said in my lecture, 1931 Nobel Prize winner Dr. Otto Warburg says, cancer cells can survive without oxygen. Cancer cells can survive without oxygen. So, if you want to kill the cancer cells, you give the cells oxygen. Okay? I didn't say it. 1931, Dr. Otto Heinrich Warburg, he is the one who said it. D178, that one there, D178, can balance your blood pH to become normal again. When your blood pH becomes normal again to 7.35 to 7.45, your body, your blood can absorb more oxygen. Go research. Alright? When your body has more oxygen, your blood has more oxygen, guess what will happen to the cancer cells? It is almost as simple as that. Right? But they don't want you to know. They don't want you to know. Because the opposite of that is a very big industry, which is a multi-billion-dollar industry. Tamam Malik?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So if you have cancer, you have no money, patay na. Huh? Do you know what is the success rate of chemotherapy? Very low, diba? So now we are giving you an alternative if you believe in the science of my explanation. Alright? And when you submit to the FDA in Taiwan, you cannot simply print any brochure and give it to the people. The brochure goes to the government also for approval. Am I right?
Yes.
I know. I'm a lawyer, diba? I know these compliance things, right? So when they submitted this for approval, it was approved. And what does the brochure say? The brochure say this device will balance your blood pH. Really? Now, when your cells are functioning at 7.35 to 7.45 pH, right? Your blood, your cells will be very efficient. It's able to do its work. Am I right?
Yes.
So we're not just talking about the big C. Okay, you see, bawal. I'm not even allowed to say that word. I have to be careful. They're recording me, diba? The big C. Now, the thing is this. Even the inflammation of your body will be gone. Because why? Your cells are now healthy. Your cells are now able to function well.
Yes.
Amazing?
Yes.
So, this $3,000 is not mahal. You know what is mahal? The hospital bed is the mahal. The hospital bed waiting for you is the most expensive. Do you all agree?
Yes.
Wow. We have to thank him for inventing such an amazing product that give people hope. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. So tell us about this D178, the history, and how you developed this product.
Okay, D178, I developed more than 5 years. Because we think one cell, just the Dr. James, one cell inside 80% is a negative cell. Outside of the cell, outside is 20% is a positive cell. This is a normal cell, normal. The normal cell is between the pH 7.35 and 7.45. But when you get sick, the cell, the power will change. Outside of the cell, maybe going to the 40, 50. Inside negative cell, maybe going down, maybe only the 50 or 40, something like this. That means the pH going drop, maybe going to the pH 5.5, 6. This condition easy going to tumor coming. The tumor, you more pH, more lower, the tumor coming more fast.
Yes.
Coming more fast.
That's the truth.
So we using higher technology, going to make the power from your foot the acupuncture point. The power going to your foot acupuncture point, go through the blood into your body to change every cell from the sick, the condition to normal condition. So the normal condition I just mentioned inside, one cell inside is 80% is a negative cell. Outside is 20% the positive cell. This is not.
Change.
Go back now.
We need to use IDOT charge. So it's a very simple idea, but you have to design the power, just good power, cannot more strong, cannot too low.
Yeah.
So too strong will hurt your body, too low is not effect.
Yes.
So we spent more than 5 years, made a different testing. So we have three, the minus 3,000 volt, minus 6,000 volt, and the highest is minus the 9,000 volt.
Wow.
Yes, these three is very good for health. Change your every single cell going to the normal. If you going to the normal, that means you are the health condition. In this health condition, the tumor cell will going to death. Slowly going to death. So D178 in Taiwan, we have a lot of clinic. We put in a lot of clinic to use.
The wellness centers, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. And also some hospital, they also charge from the patient
So
using.
you put the machine in the hospital
Yes.
for patient to use, and they pay
Yes.
for using. Wow.
Yes.
Amazing.
So we have a lot of people. So in the Taiwan, the cancer association, they have the people, the member always have the cancer.
Yeah.
They have the member go to use the D178
Wow.
to help them after the chemo, after the treatment,
Yeah.
to make them the immunity going to up.
Yeah.
So D178 is good for the tumor and the cancer.
Amazing. Amazing. And this product has a ISO 13485. This
Yes,
device.
ISO 13.
Wow.
Yes.
So there is a
Yes.
safety. That means we have the Taiwan FDA. We also have the ISO 13485 for
Yes.
safety, right? So yeah, I mean you can go to Alibaba. You can see a machine that also put current